Previously, we integrated from 0 to 1. We integrated x squared minus x cubed from 0 to 1. And we saw that this was the area. Now, suppose, let's say, we integrate from negative 0.6, right here, from negative 0.6 to 1. What would we get? Let's just erase what we have here. We integrate from negative 0.6 to 1, and it is of x squared minus x cubed. X squared minus x cubed dx. Now, what you should do is integrate from negative 0.6 to 0, and then from 0 to 1, because you would essentially be trying to find out what is the area, shaded area here, plus the shaded area here. And you can see that part of the shaded area here is below the x-axis. Alright? But anyway, let's consider both situations. We're going to integrate straight across from negative 0.6 to 1. If we do that, we would have x cubed over 3 minus x to the 4th over 4 from negative 0.6 to 1. So, what you would have is 1 cubed over 3 minus 1 to the 4th over 4 minus negative 0.6 cubed over 3 minus negative 0.6 to the 4th over 4. 1 cubed over 3, that's 1/3, minus 1 to the 4th over 4, that's a quarter. That's going to minus. And then negative 0.6 cubed. Now, 0.6 raised to the power of 3 is 0.21, and we know it's going to be a negative because you have 3 of them multiplied. So it's negative 0.216. So we have negative 0.216. Let's just put it over 3 from now. So we have negative 0.216. Divide that by 3. Over 3. What do we get? We get 0.072. So this is 0.072 minus then negative 0.6 to the 4th over 4. So we have 0.6 raised to the power of 4 raised to the 4th power equal 0.1296. Put that over 4. We get 0.0324. So it's 0.0324. Alright. So let's put this all together. 1/3 minus a quarter minus all of that. Now, we found 1/3 minus a quarter to be 1/12 before, minus this. The next thing is that you're going to have negative 0.072 minus 0.0324. So let's do that. You have negative 0.072 minus 0.0324 equals. Now 112 minus negative 0.1044 mean you're going to be adding. So it's 0.1044 plus 0.1044. Let's finish off this calculation now. So what we have is 1 over 12, which is that, plus 0.1044 equals 0.1877. 0.1877. Now, that's when we went straight across from negative 0.6 to 1. Now, let's integrate separately and see what we would get. From negative 0.6 to 0 of x squared minus x cubed. So we integrate from negative 0.6 to 0 of x squared minus x cubed dx, plus, and we integrate from 0 to 1 of x squared minus x cubed, from 0 to 1 of x squared minus x cubed dx. We're adding these because remember, the negative 0.6 to 0 will give us this area on the left, shaded area on the left, and then the 0 to 1 will give us the shaded area on the right. So let's see what's going to happen. We have the integral from negative 0.6 to 0. This is going to become x cubed over 3 minus x to the 4th over 4. And we're going from negative 0.6 to 0. That's one area, the area that was on the left, plus the area, shaded area on the right. This would be x cubed over 3 minus x to the 4th over 4. Let me rewrite this 3 here. And then you're going from 0 to 1. So what would that give us? Scroll up a bit. This is 0 cubed over 3, which will be 0. 0 cubed over 3 minus 0 to the 4th over 4, which is just 0. All of this here would be 0. Minus, alright, minus what? Negative 0.6 cubed over 3 minus, put in bracket, negative minus 0.6 to the 4th over 4, good, plus this part now, 1 cubed over 3 minus 1 to the 4th over 4, and that will minus 0 cubed over 3 minus 0 to the 4th over 4. Now let's see what you have. This will be 0. It's 0 minus negative 0.3, negative 0.6 cubed over 3. Let's calculate that. So this will be 0.6 to the power of 3. This point is going to be a negative. So it's a negative, alright? Because you have 3 different 0.6s that multiply, so the answer is negative. That over 3 gives us negative 0.072. So you have negative 0.072 minus what now? Let's see. This is going to be 0.6 to the power of 4 equal, and the answer will be positive. Put that over 4 and we get 0.0324. So it's minus 0.0324. Good. Plus 1/3 minus a quarter. 1/3 minus a quarter minus 0. This will be 0. Now 1/3 minus a quarter, what was that again? We saw before that amounted to 1/12. Now 0 minus all of this. What we have here is negative 0.072. So let's work with that. Negative 0.072 inside the bracket minus 0.0324. Now you have a minus negative this. So this minus, when you write this down, it will turn it into a negative. So what you have is a positive. So negative 0.072 minus 0.0324 gives you a negative 0.1044. But you're minusing a negative. So you will have a positive 0.1044. So 0.1044 plus 112. So let's add those together now and see what we get. Let's turn this positive 0.1044 plus 1/12 and then 0.1877. So we get 0.1877. All right. So in this case, we get a 0.1877. That's what we got before, 0.1877. So what we have is this area on the left added to this area on the right. So you see that. So basically, to find the area between two curves enclosed by two curves, what you do is find the integral from x equal one value to the next of, and then you have one function, the curve that would be at the top, minus the curve of the function that would be below, and you do your integration. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.